You're lying in bed. It's 2 a.m. You have to wake up in 5 hours. Your eyes are closed. Your body is tired. But your brain won't shut up. You keep thinking about tomorrow, about something you said 3 years ago, about nothing and everything at the same time. So you flip your pillow, try the cold side, try your left side, try your right side. Nothing works. Now, here's my question. What if I told you there's a technique developed by the US military that can put you to sleep in under 2 minutes? Not 10 minutes, not 5, 2. And it works even in the loudest, most stressful environments on Earth. Want to know what it is? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about why you can't sleep. Because it's not what you think. Most people think the problem is their body. My body isn't tired. My body won't relax. My body is restless. Wrong. Your body is fine. Your body wants to sleep. Your body has been ready to sleep for hours. The problem is your brain. See, your brain has a built-in alarm system. It's called the fight or flight response. And its job is simple: keep you alive. Thousands of years ago, this alarm system was incredibly useful. If a tiger was nearby, your brain would flood your body with a chemical called cortisol. Cortisol is basically a wake up and run chemical. Because here's the thing your brain doesn't understand. Your brain cannot tell the difference between a tiger and a work email, a deadline, a social media argument, a text you haven't replied to. Your brain treats all of these the same way. Danger, stay alert, don't sleep. So when you lie in bed and your mind starts racing, that's cortisol. Your body thinks you're in danger. You're not in danger, you're in bed. But your brain doesn't know that. Now, during World War II, the US military had a problem. Fighter pilots were making mistakes, big mistakes, missing targets, crashing planes, getting killed. And it wasn't because they were bad pilots. They were some of the best in the world. They couldn't sleep. Think about it. These guys were in war zones, explosions, gunfire, friends dying, and then someone tells them, okay, get some sleep. You're flying in 4 hours. Their brains wouldn't turn off. Same problem you have, just 100 times worse. So the military brought in a man named Bud Winter. Now, Bud Winter wasn't a doctor. He wasn't a scientist. He was a track and field coach from California. Sounds weird, right? But the military knew something. Bud Winter had spent years studying how to make athletes relax under pressure, how to make sprinters stay calm before the biggest race of their lives. And relaxation, that's exactly what these pilots needed. So the Navy gave Bud Winter one job: teach these pilots to fall asleep, anywhere, anytime, no matter what. He spent weeks testing techniques, meditation, muscle relaxation, visualization, breathing exercises. He pulled the best parts from everything and built one single method. Then he taught it to the pilots. And after 6 weeks of practice, 96% of them could fall asleep in 120 seconds or less. Not in quiet rooms, not in comfortable beds, in cockpits, on aircraft carriers, with gunfire happening around them. 2 minutes, out cold. Okay, here's the method, step by step, 5 steps. And I want you to actually try this. Not tomorrow, tonight, when you go to bed. Step 1, your face. Close your eyes. Now here's what most people get wrong. They close their eyes, but they still scrunch their forehead. They still clench their jaw. They're still holding tension everywhere. So do this. Let your forehead go completely flat, like someone ironed it. Smooth it out. Now unclench your jaw. Let your mouth hang open slightly. Don't bite down, just let it hang. Now your tongue. Let it drop to the bottom of your mouth. Don't press it against your teeth. Just let it sit there. And the most important part, the tiny muscles around your eyes. You know when you squint at your phone? Those muscles, let them go completely soft. Your face should feel like it's melting, heavy, droopy, like you just got home after the longest day of your life and you just let go. This matters because your face is directly connected to your brain's stress system. When your face is tense, your brain thinks you're alert. When your face goes soft, your brain gets the message. We're safe. We can shut down. Step 2, your shoulders and arms. Let your shoulders drop. Not a little, a lot. Imagine someone just took a heavy backpack off your shoulders. Feel that drop? That's what we want. Now your right arm. Start at the shoulder. Let it go heavy. Dead weight. Move down to your bicep. Let it melt. Step 3, your chest and breathing. Take a deep breath. Not a forced one. A slow, lazy one. Like you're bored. Now breathe out. And as you breathe out, let your chest sink. Don't force it down, just let gravity pull it. Keep breathing like this. Slow in, slow out. Each breath out, your chest sinks a little more. Here's what's happening. This slow breathing activates something called your parasympathetic nervous system. Big word, simple idea. It's your body's rest mode. Your heart rate drops. Your blood pressure drops. Your muscles release even more tension. Your entire body starts shifting from alert mode to sleep mode. Step 4, your legs. Start with your right thigh. Let it go heavy. Sink it into the mattress. Now your calf. Now your foot. Let your whole right leg feel like it weighs 1,000 pounds. Same thing, left leg. At this point, your entire body, from face to feet, should feel like it's made of wet sand. Heavy, shapeless, sinking into the bed. Step 5, the hardest part, your mind. Your body is relaxed now, but your brain is still going, still thinking, still planning, still worrying. So here's the trick the military uses. Don't try to think about nothing. That doesn't work. The harder you try to think about nothing, the more you think. Instead, give your brain a picture. Picture this. You're lying in a small canoe on a perfectly still lake. No wind, no waves, just glass smooth water. The sky above you is completely blue. No clouds, no birds, no sound, just you. Or, if pictures don't work for you, just repeat these 2 words in your head. Don't think. Over and over. Don't think. Don't think. Don't think. For 10 seconds. This sounds stupid. It works. Because repeating a simple phrase blocks your brain from starting any new thought patterns. It jams the signal. So why does this actually work? Let me put it simply. Your brain takes cues from your body. If your body is tense, your brain stays alert. If your body is relaxed, your brain relaxes too. And once your brain lets go, you're asleep, usually within 120 seconds. Now, before you try this tonight, 3 mistakes that ruin this technique. Mistake 1, your phone is next to your bed. Even if you're not looking at it, even if it's face down, your brain knows it's there. Your brain is waiting for it to buzz. That tiny anticipation, it keeps your cortisol just high enough to block sleep. Put your phone across the room, not on the nightstand, across the room. Mistake 2, you drink coffee after lunch. Caffeine has a half-life of about 6 hours. That means if you drink coffee at 3 p.m., half of that caffeine is still in your blood at 9 p.m. You might feel tired, but chemically, your brain is still wired. Mistake 3, you try this once and give up. This technique is a skill, like riding a bike, like learning to type. The first night will feel weird. You might not fall asleep faster at all. That's fine. The 96% success rate was after 6 weeks of practice. Not one night, 6 weeks. The pilots didn't master it on day 1 either. They practiced every single night. By week 2, most of them noticed a difference. By week 6, they could sleep on command. Give it 6 weeks. You'll be glad you did. Tonight, when you get into bed, try the 5 steps. Face, shoulders, chest, legs, mind. It takes less than 2 minutes. And if it works, you just solved a problem that has been ruining your nights for years, maybe decades. And if it doesn't work the first night, try again tomorrow, and the next day, and the next. Because somewhere around week 3 or 4, something clicks. You lie down, you close your eyes, you run through the steps, and before you finish, you're gone. Just like those pilots, 80 years ago, in the middle of a war, sleeping in 2 minutes flat. If this was interesting, you'll probably like the next video too. I'll see you there.